So the first step is you'll start off with a 10 by 16, and then you'll just hem the short sides right here. And so once you sew them, it'll end up looking like this. And from this point on is where you will do the folding. So you'll start off with the bottom and lift it up just the slightest bit. And then this is how you'll get your first pleat. If you fold it just like that, it should be a little less than an inch. Then get some clips, clip side, and then clip this side. And then take the top, roll it over just the slightest, and then take that and put it down here so it meets with the other seam. Then from this point, these two are touching. I like to have my fingers where it's rolled over, and then I'll just take the top to meet where my fingers meet, just like that, and then fold it over a second time. And clip it. And then a third time with the excess fabric, just fold it over again, and then clip, clip, just so you have the 3 pleats there. Once you're finished with this, you'll just sew along the lines, and it'll look like this right here. You should have the 3 even pleats on this side, and then the other 3 should look like this. And from this point is where you can add your elastic or ribbon. When you add the elastic or ribbon, you're going to have the 3 even sides face down. Place the ribbon here, here, and then on this side as well, and then just sew right here and right here. Once that's done, you'll take a 6 by 2 piece of fabric, iron it closed where it meets in the middle, and you're going to take it over here where it's closed, place that in there. You're going to want to move the ribbon out of the way because you don't want to crease the ribbon. Have it where this fold over is right up against it. Flip these back, and then this is where you can pull that up, and then you can fold this so the raw edge is not showing, and then sew it right there and right there, and then that should be your completed mask.